Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube series. This video, I'm going to show you how to use Dremel or any other rotary tool to polish coins. Everyday coins that you might find that you might like to have polished up. So stay tuned. Let me readjust the camera. I'll be right back with you. Here are the parts I'm going to be using today. First of all, I'm going to be using the Dremel Multi-Pro rotary tool, and it has the locking collet on it. We're using the Dremel Multi-Vice. These aren't a have to use item, but for me they help. We have some coins here that I'm going to show you in just a second. Okay, these polishing wheels, you see this one has a hole in the center. There you go. This is a Dremel brand, and have another one right here, the hole. But some of these, such as this one, does not have a hole in it. These are the generic brand. I don't know where I got them, but it has several of these. We're going to use the ones that has the actual hole in it. And the screw collet. Trying to get that focus there. Maybe that will help. There we go. I'm going to use the screw collet, this polishing wheel. Many kits will come with this polishing compound, which is like this, or it may come in a little drum like this. Sometimes these are kind of a pain to get out. But anyway, use your best practice to get that out of there so you can polish up the wheels. Just for tutorial purposes, we're just going to use this red polishing compound right here. And we have some coins. I have a quarter here and a nickel. And I have some copper rounds. See, it started oxidizing right here, this little spot here. And this one's got a couple of spots right there. This one has a spot right there. Pretty cool, isn't it? I love these copper rounds. Anyway, that's what we're going to be using today. So, you get this screw mandrel. Get one of these that has a hole in it. Just easily thread it onto there. There we go. And let me get over there, and I'm going to put this in the Dremel. I'm going to zoom in first. I'm going to mount this into the collet, and we'll get started on here. Oh, dust mask, safety glasses. I'm not telling you you have to use these, but I use them all the time. Use your own discretion. My advice is to use them. Okay, just one second here. I have a previous video on this chuck here. You might want to look at that. Go ahead and get this mounted on here. Do not push it all the way back. I'm going to come out about this far. Tighten it up. Get this thing plugged in over here. It's always a good practice when you're changing your bits on here to have the tool unplugged. I have a clamp right here. I forgot to show you this earlier. This is from Home Depot. It is a 2-inch spring clamp. You can get them almost anywhere, but I use these to hold the coins. Let's see here. Like this. Okay, got the red compound. I'm going to turn this Dremel onto, that is number 1. It's on between 1 and 2. And I'm going to apply the compound. That's all we'll need. So I had this quarter here. Turn this off. I'm going to put a piece of tape across here. Let's see here. Got a piece of masking tape. I'm just going to put across half of this quarter. To show you the before and after. Okay, let me put this back in my spring clamp. Turn on between 1 and 2. Some people say the higher the better, but I don't go with that route. I'm going to go a little bit slower. Very easy process here. There we go. Let's see here. Let's see how it looks right now. Very quick polishing session right there. Let's get this tape off of here. Show you the difference. Let's see here. Get this adjusted so you can see it better. There you go. Right there. Very fast, very easy. You can see what a big difference it made. So I'm going to get one of these spots off of this copper coin. Get that mounted on there, just like this. Polish that spot off right here. Add some more compound. Go a little bit higher. I had just a little bit too much compound on there. But you can definitely see that it's taken off that patina. Almost got it off. Okay, you can see right here where it was on there. Right here. Let's try just a basic old penny. Let me show you how that works. Okay, see there? We're going to change this buffing wheel out. Put on the green buffing compound. Show you what difference it makes. There we go. Let me get it out of this little drum right here and I'll be right back with you. Okay, I got the wax out of the little drum right here, so I'm going to put some on this polishing pad. Okay, I'm not going to go through this whole penny right here, but you can see what a difference it's starting to make on there. Anyway, this is not the only way to polish coins with a Dremel. It's just a method that I use, very easy process. Once you try it a couple times, I'm sure you'll get the hang of it, see how good it works. Let's get that quarter back in here. See what a big difference it made on that quarter. Anyway, my name's Carl. I do appreciate you being with us today.